To communicate, we use language. Right now, I'm using the English language to communicate with you. Did you know that computers use a special language too? That's right, the binary. Hello, everyone. I'm Marina Ben, and I'm looking forward to share with you something about computers. And you guessed right, that something is the binary. Computers run on ones and zeros. These ones and zeros are what constitute the primary language of computers, the binary. To understand where this originates from, we need to first understand what computers are made of. A bunch of wires and circuits. And the communication between them results in the working of the computer.
What's the first thing you do when you want to use a computer? You switch it on, right? Basically, we use electricity to power it. And it is the same electricity that is used by computers to store information.
Take one electrical wire. When current passes through this wire, it has the possibility of signaling only one of two things, on or off. This is 1 or 0 in computers. This 1 or 0 that you see here are nothing but what we call a bit or the binary digit. It is the smallest piece of information a computer can store. Various combinations can be formed using these bits, and this results in the binary code. 8 bits together forms a byte. All the numbers that exist can be represented in ones and zeros in the binary. You must be thinking, computers store information which is not limited to zeros and ones. And it's not just numbers that it stores other text, image, sound, and various combinations of them. How would it do that if all it has is 1 and 0? To understand how computers store text, let's take, for example, the English language. It has the English alphabet that consists of capital letters and small letters. Each of these letters can be assigned a number value. Most commonly, the capital A is assigned the value 65, B 66, and so on. Each of these numbers can then be represented in binary form. And just like that, we have in its various combinations words, paragraphs, essays, you name it. Similarly, you can use this logic for any of the multitude of languages that exist in this universe. Imagine this is an enlarged form of an image. To store this, the computer divides this image into many small portions, as you can see here, each of which is called a pixel, the smallest element in a picture. The pixel, or the picture element as it is otherwise called, stores the information of the color assigned to that portion in binary. If this were a black and white image, it would be 0 for white and 1 for black. And there you have the image in ones and zeros. What about sounds? Sound waves can also be represented in binary by just storing the frequency in bits. Take any point and we will have an associated binary value for it. See, that's all it is. That's all for now, folks. I hope I have ignited the fire in you for computers. Curiosity is your superpower. Keep it shining bright. Thank you.